From birth, I was diagnosed with a heart murmur. At the age of 32, I started to get a bit weak. A lot of heart pain, chest pain, breathing problem. That's when I decided to go into Nassau and see a heart specialist. So he told me that my heart was failing and I wasn't getting any better. So he told me that he would send me to Cleveland Clinic.
The 4 valves inside the heart were infected in aggressive fashion and created an emergency to go to the surgery to fix the problems.
I was already give up hope. I felt as if that was it, that's just how I was feeling. Not able to do anything for myself, for my kids, not able to work. The pain, the frustration. Dr. Navia and team, they rushed in there and put me to sleep. I woke up like 3 days after that and the surgery was done.
Having 4 valve surgeries, 4 valve endocarditis to do this procedure, surgical procedures, is very, very extremely rare, I would say. In this particular procedures, I have to replace the aortic valve with the homograph. I have to repair the mitral valve with what we call the ME commando procedures, one of the techniques I developed in the Cleveland Clinic main campus. And then the pulmonary artery, I have to replace all the valve because it also was infected. It was aggressive and a long procedure, but she did remarkably well.
My experience with Dr. Navia and my recovery were excellent. Dr. Navia would come in and see me every day. He would always say, "Hey, you're the star of the ICU. You're doing excellent. We're gonna get through this together. My team and I, we're not gonna let you down. When you go back to the Bahamas, you'll be running. You'll be happy. You'll be a whole new different person." And he kept me going. So I kept that in my head, and the encouraging words that he told me what would happen, I know it was coming to reality.
Extremely happy to see when the patient comes so badly and then right now is recovering almost normal life. And I saw her last week, it was completely normal.
If I didn't come to Cleveland Clinic, I would not be alive today. Everything was super. The nurses, the staff.
The use of homograph, having this kind of technology provided tremendous possibility to fix in this very destroyed heart because of the infection, to repair in the right way.
So now I'm looking forward to having a new life, experiencing things that I wanted to do because I wasn't able to do a lot of stuff with my kids. Even in school, I wasn't able to take part in sports. But now Dr. Navia told me that I have a brand new heart, so I'm ready to go there, experience life, and feel what it feels like to have a new heart, a new mindset.